Hi guys, and today I'm going to be doing satisfying slime. So I'm going to be doing stuff with all my slimes, and down in the comments after you guys watch this, you guys are going to comment down below which one is your favorite slime, and I will say the names for them, and then you just comment down below that name. Yeah. So first, it's my clear slime. I just now made this one, 30 minutes ago? So, yeah. And sorry about those background noises. That is just the TV. This is the poking for it. This is the clear part for it. And this one's called clear slime. So if you like, this is the best. So I just made this one, so it'll take a few days for the air bubbles to come out and then make it crystal clear. I know it just looks like plain white slime, but like if you look closely, you can tell that they're air bubbles. So, yeah. But I'll have to get out a couple days. And yeah. And then it just won't be air bubbles anymore. Yeah, that is that one. And one of them are store-bought, and I'll tell you which one that is. So, it's actually the one right there. I'm trying to, there. So, yeah, when that one comes up, you guys will know. And it says 3 pounds on the thing. So I'm pretty sure it's 3 pounds. Like it says 3 pounds on the thing. 3 pounds. This one doesn't stretch that well, but that's okay because I still like it a lot. Like, this is the first to stretch out, but pretty stretchy. Here are the poking. And yeah, that is the store-bought one. So yeah, we just bought this today at AC Moore. So if you guys want a homemade slime, not a homemade, a store-bought slime, get AC Moore. Right when you guys walk in, it should be right there, actually. But, yeah. They might have it, like, if you guys are, like, the same AC Moore as me, they'll have it. But if you don't, then they might have it. But the thing I don't like about this is not about the slime, but it's about the container. It's hard to close and open. But there. That was the second one. That one's gonna be store-bought. The other one's clear. This one is going to be called Blue Raspberry, even though it has Floam in it. But I have another one that has Floam in it, so I'm going to call that one Floamy. And this one's just going to be Blue Raspberry. And this is how stretchy it is with that. And this is how stretchy it is this way. But yeah, that was that one. Remember that one's gonna be called Blueberry. Well, this one's the one that's going to be called Follow Me, because this one has a lot of foam in it. And I'm scared I cannot take it out of the container. Well, I can, but I can't put it on the table because there's too much foam. Okay, I'm doing this for you guys. Oh, it didn't really do anything. Just got foam on the floor. But, yeah, that. Mom, that one's going to be called Follow Me. Remember that? Follow Me. Now I need to pick up these flow balls. So I want the dogs to eat it. Next one, I'm going to call Green Apple. Yeah, Green Apple. This one is going to be called Camouflage. Because my baby sister made this one. And my baby sister's too. But I helped her a little bit. But she wanted to add in all the colors. I said, okay, but it's not going to look good. She's like, but we still want to add in all the colors. And I'm like, okay. And then she added on all the colors out of, I have the colors right here, actually. Out of blue. Wait, maybe it's back here. Yep. Out of blue, red, yellow, and green. Oh yeah, she used all this. It's actually pretty good. It just dyes your hands. Well, yeah, I'm actually pretty surprised with her. And my baby sister, if I didn't say it yet, but I'm pretty sure I did. My baby sister is 2, almost about to be 3. She turns 3 December 21st. And I turn 9, actually, in 2 days. I turn 9 on Monday. Yes. And I might film that, but I might not bring my phone because we're going to Hershey Park. So I might film that. But yeah, this one's going to be called Camouflage. Remember that. This one is going to be called, this one is going to be called, I'm just gonna say this, sky blue. First one I thought of that was like a blue kind of color. But this one's gonna be called sky blue. Then the final and last one is another green one. And this one's gonna be called Greenie. Yeah. That's some. So that was all the stuff I have today. So yeah, comment down below which one you like the best. So yeah. Bye everyone, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like it's a little red subscribe button. Let's subscribe on it. It's red. It's right there, and then there's going to be a little bell next to it. Also hit that so you'll be notified from my YouTube videos. And yeah, so if you guys hit that subscribe button, and by the time I get to 0, then the next video I'll film will be in your guys' comments, and it'll be what you guys want. So yeah. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beep, 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 beep. Your time is up, guys. Hopefully you guys subscribe and hit that bell. So yeah, bye guys.